Do you find it difficult to form questions in English? Do you often get stuck while speaking? Well, not anymore. In today's video, you will master 40 essential WH questions that you can use in your daily life. It is super easy, and by the end of this video, you will be able to speak like a pro. Let's dive in. Who? Who is your teacher? Who called you? Who can help me? Who can open the door? Who knows the answer? Who told you that? Who is at the door? Who wants to join us? Who is your friend? Who made this cake? What? What is this? What do you want? What happened? What are you doing? What did you say? What did she say? What do you need? What time is it? What is your favorite color? What should we eat? Where? Where is the park? Where do you live? Where is my phone? Where did you go? Where can I find it? Where do we live? Where is the restaurant? Where is the bus stop? Where did she put the keys? Where are my shoes? When? When is your birthday? When does class start? When will we meet? When is the meeting? When do we leave? When should I call you? When is the next bus? When did you arrive? When are we going to the park? When will she come home? That's all for today's lesson. You now have 40 powerful questions to improve your English. Now, it's your turn. Can you write a WH question in the comments below? I'd love to see your progress. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next one.